Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Munadi Dhanbad. Today we will continue with the same chapter, that is friction of class 8. The next topic is fluid friction. Okay, so as we know that friction is exerted by the surfaces. Okay, smooth surface exert less friction, rough surface exert more friction. Similarly, fluids, and in fluids we mean by both air and water, they also exert friction. So if you have noticed, then when you are riding a bicycle or bike, okay, and if your position is erect, then more force acts upon you and try to push you behind. Okay, that's why the racers, especially the bike racers, just lean forward to minimize the force. More the speed increases, more the force will be exerted on your body while you're riding a bicycle or a bike. Okay, why? Because force has been applied upon you. Similarly, water applies force, which is known as buoyancy, which you will study in the next class. Okay, whenever someone during swimming, what happens, or when somebody is in water, the force will be exerted upwards in the opposite direction of the gravity. This is known as fluid friction. The force exerted by air is also known as drag. Okay, so structure had been formed to minimize this friction in air. Okay, now these structures are basically inspired by organisms such as fishes and birds. We all know that fishes can swim and birds can fly. Why? Because of their specific structure. Obviously because of their wings, but their structure also supports their flight or swimming. So based upon the inspiration on the surface, they took the inspiration, or you can say the structure that is present in fishes and birds, which is known as streamlined structure. Okay, now streamlined structures are those structures which offer minimum fluid friction, which enables them to swim in case of fishes and flying in case of birds. So this kind of structure enables to fly or swim. Similarly, based upon that, the structure of planes and ships are made, okay, to enable them to fly smoothly or to swim smoothly. Okay, after you get the video, the class link, or you can say the class group, will open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.